Hey, Lindsay, a dense fog advisory is in place as people wake up this morning. It's really been interesting to see the fog progress as we've been here this morning.
Right. I mean, when I got here, it was really bad in Waukesha. I got to Milwaukee, it was fine.
Yeah.
But I knew it would kind of, sink in and kind of like really cover up much of the area. But I'm also watching something else that's so important, and that is our potential of strong and severe weather in the forecast. Here is the latest from what you can expect when it comes to Thursday, from what I've seen from the weather models this morning. The system has slowed down. So what does that mean? Does that give us a higher chance or a lower chance of severe weather? It actually gives us a higher chance because the slower the cold front is, the more opportunity that we have to warm up and get some energy. So what I really think is going to happen is that we'll likely get that cold front sparking off some showers and thunderstorms to the west of us, especially northwest of Milwaukee. I do think some of us are going to miss some of this activity. But again, remember, our viewing area is from Sheboygan all the way down to Kenosha. So I think some of our northern counties are going to get clipped by some of these nasty storms. We also do have a limiting factor. I talked about this the last time we had the potential of strong storms. That is an atmospheric cap. It is very, very strong near the lakefront with a southeast wind. It's not as strong further to the west, which is where I think we get some of these storms that pop up. So this morning it's foggy. Afternoon we have clouds picking up. Today's not really a big issue. It's tomorrow that severe threat really picks up between 2 and 9 o'clock. Then we will have some storms also on Friday evening, as well as the full system does exit. So there's 2 chances of those storms in the forecast. This is where it's coming from, over off to the west. But as you can see, to the west of Milwaukee, you can't see much. That's Brookfield with almost zero visibility. Milwaukee, you can see at least the road, but you can't see much of anything behind it with this dense fog advisory that will continue until 10 o'clock this morning. So as you're heading out the door, low beams are going to be your best friend. Make sure the taillights are working. Highs today in the low 70s and upper 60s near the lakefront. Away from the lake, you'll be in those mid and upper 70s. But this is our threat, and this is different than when you went to bed last night and you saw Mark's forecast. We now are in a 3 out of 5 risk from the Storm Prediction Center. This means that all severe threats will be possible with wind, hail, and tornadoes. Where I personally think all of the ingredients line up at the right time and you don't have that cap is basically right here along the lakefront. So it's less likely it gets as bad here. However, I do think right around here is the spot that we get clipped with some nasty stuff. And when we get storms that pop there, they'll eventually get here. I just think that they lose the intensity by the time they get to the lake. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's Futurecast. This is today. Could see it pop up today. You see a little bit of fog trying to come back in with that easterly wind. That's a possibility going into tomorrow morning. But initially, when I showed you these weather models, the warm front was coming through in the morning, potentially giving us rain. Now that the system slowed down, the atmosphere is virtually untouched and we get sunshine. You know what that means? That means it helps to break that cap. It also helps to bring in more energy. So what I think is going to happen right at the triple point, which is where all these boundaries intersect, this is where I think the bad stuff will likely happen. You're seeing a lot of activity leading up to that, and then boom, explosive development. I'm not saying you're not going to get activity Kenosha, you're just less likely because the front moves through faster. But I would say between 5 and 7 o'clock from Beaver Dam to about, Ozaukee County, that's going to be the window that I think we get some of this nasty stuff. We have all of the ingredients in place. We have upper level rotation. We have energy. We have the frontal boundaries. So the potential is there for us to get golf ball size hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds, and isolated tornadoes tomorrow, which makes it an alert day with those highs almost near 80. It's going to feel muggy. And the next day features some storms in the evening. Those won't be strong, Jaron. It'll drop temperatures for the weekend.
Yeah, seasonal swing in just a couple of days, it seems like this week. All right, Lindsay, thank you.